Hey guys, Lisa Ray here with Keeping It Creepy, and today I get to unbox my new electric foam cutting toolkit from GoChange, which I ordered off Amazon. Had pretty good reviews, so we'll see what it does. You ever have to use your house key to take the tape off the box? There we go. All right, let's see what we got here. So inside, oh, foam. Instruction kit, power adapter, the wand part with a nice little on-off switch, I'm not sure what that is. Let's see what it says it is. It is the foam cutting pin. Okay. That would be a blue marker pen and a larger foam cutting pen. So there's a 5 centimeter, that'll be this one, and a 10 centimeter. So yay. That'll be helpful for going through deep things. And there should be, yes, there it is, the wire cutting knife. Awesome. Yay. I've actually got something we're going to try this on here in just a minute. So a little handy dandy holder to keep it off the surface. I wonder if that clips on there. And more wire for the wire cutter. All right. So how about I assemble this and then we give it a shot and cut some foam. I can't wait to play with it. Yay. Be right back with you. Okay, so actually it looks very easy to assemble. This actually is just a stand. You set it on like maybe a soldering iron or a hot glue gun stand. These, they just plug in. And that plugs in there. We have power. I wonder how long it takes it to heat up. All right. I want to play with some foam. I got these because if you watched my earlier video, I painted up these urns to be all creepy, and I got some flowers that I did a quick dusting of gray and black spray paint on. And I'm going to cut these in half because buying this styrofoam ball and cutting it in half yourself is a hell of a lot cheaper than buying 2 half spheres at Wally World. Okay, so we're gonna test this on that. That's okay. I'm not worried about this countertop. There are plans to replace it, and I painted it earlier this year. It's held up pretty well, but still not my style. That open. Hi, Zoe baby. All right. I wonder, just seeing if there's a smell. No, don't touch it to your nose because I'm sure it gets very hot, probably very quickly. Let's see how long it takes. See if it tells me how long it takes. Oh, yes. Thank you for buying. Okay. Assemble it. And connect, turn the on switch, and wait for about 10 seconds, so it should be good and hot now. Okay. Let's see. It looks like it's about half, right? It's like butter. Oh my gosh. And I'm putting very little pressure on it too. Oh! Awesome! I cut a ball in half. But that means I can now put it in my urn, and I'll probably Gorilla Glue that down and stick my flowers in there. Yay! Gotta do it again. Gotta do it again. That was fun. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Cool. Do a little shaving right there. Trim that up. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. Awesome. Yay. Oh, I can't wait to play with this thing more. Wow. Okay. So let me turn it off and let it cool. And then I'll switch it to another one. And we got some foam in here we can play with. That's why they packed foam in a foam wire cutting tool, right? Okay. Boop, 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 boop. I'm a little hesitant. It's cool. All right. Set that aside. Let's try the short one. And they just plug in. Real easy to switch out. Turn it on. Let it heat up for about 10 seconds. And let's see what we can do. Let's see. That one I can really smell heating up. Of course, that's quite a bit of a thicker rod. All right. I'm not going to show you what I'm doing till I'm done. All right. Let's see what we get here. I'm just going to cut. Oh, yes. That is pretty awesome. Oh, wow. It's pretty easy to guide. I can see where I would want to have a probably a metal work surface to keep from setting anything on fire, because I am somewhat accident prone. Really, I'm not that bad. Just twisted my ankle and a few other things here recently. I don't know what it is about recently, but come here. It definitely puts off a smell. Let's see. Boop. Boop. This is probably not the preferred foam to use, but there we have it. Okay, I'm loving it. I'm gonna need more practice with it, but oh, I cannot wait. Cannot wait. Oh, hey, by the way, I want to send a shout out to my friend Darlene. She lives down the street. She's been watching some of my videos, and look what she got me. It's so cool. I'm using it right now because it wasn't that bright in here before, I promise you. And I'm going to be blind later because when I close my eyes, I just see rings everywhere. But this is pretty cool. I don't know where she got it, but she had it. She's like, I don't use it. You might use it. So thanks, Darlene. And as for this awesome thing, I'll try to put a link in the description of where I got it. Like I said, I ordered it on Amazon. And I think I can put this to a lot of use. Don't forget, keep it creepy.